Okay, let's talk about runs in the family. Something that family members all have, all in common. So they all might start businesses, they might all have this, they might all do that. So it runs in the family. Starting businesses runs in the family because we've all done it. Something that all family members do and go through. Maybe even something like going to university and graduating. It runs in the family. Intelligence, for example, that all family members have. It runs in the family. Now, a 5 o'clock shadow, to have stubble, so very short facial hair on a man's face when he is not shaved in a while. So after 1 or 2 days of not shaving, I will have a 5 o'clock shadow, very small facial hair. He has a 5 o'clock shadow from all the work he has been doing. Yeah, just no time to shave. Now, pillar of the community, somebody important that helps uplift society and the community around him. He is key, strong foundation to the community. Someone important for the society, and he may or may not actually live there. So somebody could be a pillar of the community in a village or in a town when they might live outside of the area. He is a pillar of the community and helps a lot of people. So here's a pillar. Here's the community. It's on the pillar and it's very strong. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.